Shipman, Nakona, Texas. Nakona, Texas is getting set free, then our junior barrels are going to be making their way. Let's do it. Taylor Shipman. Ready to go. Ready to make the money. Come on, Taylor. It's your turn. Ready. Nakona. Here we go. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She's got one more. Gainesville, help her out a little bit. Come on. And a 17-830. 17-830. We have got some of our junior kids and our junior barrels that's about to make their way. The junior barrels, it is going to be fun with the junior barrels because these are our little ones, our youngsters. They get that opportunity to run fast just like the big girls. Let's do it. Madison Clement is going to get you started. When Madison comes around, you can be wild and crazy just like you've been doing so far. Madison Clement, come on. Keep going, Madison. One more, Madison. There you go. And a 22-155, 22-155. Let's go to Kylie Bucks coming your way. Let's go to Kylie. Come on, Kylie. Kylie can make it. We're ready. There you go. And a 25-350, 25-350.